No, this is the coolest thing that has ever happened to me in my life. I got my cute outfit on, so let's go. First ever brand collaboration. Hi guys, welcome back to a day in my life. Excuse my hair, I'm about to do some stuff with it, so I'm keeping it up in a way, but I just wanted to come on here and say, so incredibly excited. I have so much stuff going on right now, and oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, I don't even know where to start, so I'm gonna go get a little bit of smoked salmon, and then I'm gonna catch you guys up on. Okay, so first of all, can I just say, why did I think I did not like smoked salmon? I don't know, because it's really good. Gosh, I guess I can't talk to you while I'm eating this, So, what I wanted to say, but I really couldn't say because I was eating, was that I don't even know how to put it into words.
You love me?
No, this is about my OGEE collab. But I do love you. No, this is the coolest thing that has ever happened to me in my life. Okay. So far. Okay. If you know, you know, I'm referencing The Simpsons. The worst day of your life so far. As a creator and all that, I always wanted to work with brands, and you guys know I've been on YouTube for over a year now. I'm on to 2 years now, and I finally am doing my first collaboration with a brand. Brand name is OGEE. They do skincare and they do makeup for more luxury makeup, amazing stuff. Like, I'm talking Westman Atelier type makeup, very natural, glowy. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
It's just sometimes it just sounds like you make up words.
So very excited. Obviously, I am going to be talking about it soon and all that, but you guys are probably gonna see this video at some point, and maybe my videos come out on my TikTok. So if it has, I'll probably link it. Go check it out. I'm so excited. I really feel so grateful to be living my dreams. So that's just it. I'm just gonna put that in here. Me, bare skinned, literally about to go shoot content. Haven't put makeup on yet, and with this messy ass background, and that's okay, because this is the real me. So, as I was saying a while earlier, I'm doing my first collaboration with a brand, and I'm so excited about it. Like, literally, I can't stop talking about it. I can't stop thinking about it. I've been like thinking about how I'm gonna film and kind of perfecting the way I'm filming, really taking it a lot more serious, and just noticing those little things that you feel when your manifestation comes true and comes to life. It's been amazing. I feel really good, and I'm excited to show you guys and share with you guys. So, good things are happening in my life. I'm just happy to where I am, and Pokey time. Let's open these babies up. I got super effective glasses, and that's about it.
Wow, really?
Yeah. I got another Glade and another sunglasses. And just open this one up. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is a beautiful Saturday. We're about to go to the farmer's market. We're walking. I I got my cute outfit on, so let's go. Guys, welcome to my living room. As you can see, I'm getting ready to shoot some content. I'm actually super excited about it because it's my first time ever working with a brand. I mentioned it before, but I'm about to shoot some little cute little aesthetic videos. Very excited about it because, like I said, I've been dreaming of doing this literally for years. So this is the first time I'm working with a brand and I'm super excited. I'm about to use all their products on my clean face. I just took a shower filming a get ready with me. I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. So I'm gonna put you guys down while I play with stuff. You guys, I just finished filming my first ever brand collaboration. I'm so excited to edit it. I'm literally like, I think I'm gonna go do that right now because I'm so excited. Look at my skin right now. Literally amazing products. I'm not even getting paid to say this, like literally. So look at my skin. Amazing. Absolutely amazing products. My skin doesn't even feel like it's wearing any makeup. It just work amazingly. The brushes that they sent to me, superb. Absolutely soft and gentle on the skin. Everything feels so good. The lips, extremely hydrating. I'm in love right now. I'm in love with the products. I'm in love with the way that my skin looks. So I'll have, obviously, I'm gonna make a full YouTube video just on OGEE. But if you guys are interested in any of the products I'm wearing, I'm gonna be listing them below, and you guys can go over to OGEE, check them out, read about them. They're certified organic, natural products, all about natural beauty. I love what they're about, and I have a coupon code for you guys. So I'll have the coupon code listed below. So go check them out.